Flannel flowers are native to Australia and are known for their distinctive white, fuzzy petals. These flowers are a popular choice for gardeners due to their unique appearance and easy-to-grow nature. If you're interested in learning how to grow flannel flowers, choose a location for planting. Flannel flowers prefer full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. If you are planting in a garden bed, choose an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you are planting in a pot, choose a location that gets plenty of sunlight and has good drainage. Prepare the soil. Flannel flowers prefer soil that's slightly acidic with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. The soil should also be well-draining and enriched with organic matter. If you are planting in a garden bed, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. If you are planting in a pot, use a high-quality potting mix that's formulated for Australian native plants. Plant the seeds. Flannel flower seeds can be sown directly into the soil or started indoors and transplanted outside once they've germinated. If you're sowing directly into the soil, plant the seeds about 2 to 3 mm deep and 20 to 30 cm apart. If you're starting indoors, plant the seeds in small pots filled with potting mix and place them in a warm, sunny location. Flannel flower seeds typically germinate within 1 to 2 weeks. Water regularly. Flannel flowers need regular watering to establish and grow. Water the plants deeply once a week, making sure to water at the base of the plant and avoid getting water on the leaves. During hot, dry weather, you may need to water more frequently. Provide support. Flannel flowers are tall, upright plants that can benefit from support. You can provide support using stakes or a trellis. Place the support in the ground or pot when you plant the seeds to avoid damaging the roots later on. Fertilize sparingly. Flannel flowers don't require much fertilizer, but you can apply a slow-release fertilizer in early spring if desired. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to leggy growth and reduced flowering. Prune as needed. Flannel flowers don't require much pruning, but you can trim back any dead or damaged branches as needed. You can also pinch back the tips of the plant to encourage bushier growth. With these tips, you'll be able to grow beautiful flannel flowers in your garden or on your balcony. These unique, fuzzy flowers are sure to be a conversation starter and a standout feature in any landscape.